Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can remove the emoji from your photo only with the photo application on your iPhone. So open your photos now, and then you just need to pick the picture that contains the emoji on it, and now we just need to tap into the edit. And the next you just need to go take a look on this side. That could be this icon, just go tap on it. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap on this plus button, and it could be just add shape, and then pick the shape that you want to use. And the next you just need to go pick the color by go click this one, and then click this color picker, and then adjust the color picker to be near with the area of the emoji here. And the next you just need to go tap X and drag these circles into the top of the emoji. And now we just need to go tap down, and then here we go, the emoji is already disappeared. Tap down again to save it. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.